Hi, this is Polybanteaches and I am Sagorika Banerjee. Once again, I am back with another exciting video in the series of cybersecurity and ethics. So today, without wasting much of the time, let me just start my presentation and share with you some very valuable information. So in the series of cybersecurity and ethics, today I will be sharing with you about the impact of cybercrime on society, how cybercrime affects, and why is cybersecurity important, cybersecurity awareness is important, cyber ethics, and personal privacy. So to start with impact of cybercrime on society, cybercrime has created a major threat to those who use the internet, with millions of users' information stolen within the past few years. It has also been made a major dent in many nations' economies. IBM President and CEO Ginni Rometty described cybercrime as the greatest threat to every profession, every industry, and every company in the world. So the global cost of cybercrime will reach to $6 trillion by 2021. So this is going to be an impact of cybercrime on the society. According to Poneman Institute's 2016 Cost of Data Breach Study, global analysis organizations that suffered at least one breach lost an average of $4 million. 48% of data security breaches are caused by acts of malicious intent. Cybersecurity Ventures expects ransomware costs will rise to $11.5 billion in the coming years. Now, how cybercrime affects? Approximately 12.5% of world economy is online. It poses a risk if the correct security measures are not taken care of. In 2019, 49% of the businesses were breached. It is not a matter of if, but when. According to an Office for National Statistics survey, there was almost 6 million cybercrime and fraud offenses in 2019, which means these cyber crimes, the types now make up half of all crime. And now the number has increased because almost everyone today in this world is online. So most of the work is done online. We are sitting in front of the computer for a major period of the day and working on internet. So the security is required and very, very much essential. Now, how to fight cybercrime? We need to understand in order to fight cybercrime, we have to follow certain norms, some certain ethics, which we can say as netiquettes. So what are those? Become vigilant when browsing website. First of all, whenever you are browsing website, you need to be very, very vigilant. Flag and report suspicious emails. You may come across with so many emails in your mail IDs. So if you feel that any mail, certain type of mail is continuously coming and you feel that it is suspicious, so you flag it and report it. Never click on unfamiliar links or ads. Remember, if you are not aware of that link or ads, do not click on it. Use a VPN. VPN is the virtual private network whenever possible, because then this problem can decrease to a major extent. Ensure websites are safe before entering credentials. So whenever you are asked to enter your credentials on a certain website, you need to understand, you need to verify whether the website is safe or not. If you feel any suspicion, please do not enter your credentials. Keep antivirus application systems up to date. It is very important. Antivirus or application systems must be always up to date. And use strong passwords with 14 plus characters. Very important. If your password is strong, nobody can hack it. Then why is the need? Why is cybersecurity awareness important? We know that cybersecurity is good and we need to follow it, but awareness is equally important, because once you know the different ethics, then only you can uh, uh, take steps to secure yourself. So cybercrime is a growing trend. Nowadays, cybercrime is a growing trend because almost everyone is working on internet. So what you need to do, raise awareness of threats. If you know about any particular cyber crime, please raise awareness of threats. Police can't tackle all this problem alone. It is we who need to realize, who need to be very much aware of this increasing crime. And we need to encourage reporting. Please make others also aware about reporting the crime. Promote government-backed schemes, cyber essentials. Very important. You need to promote it and you need to follow it. Then cybercrime is massively underreported. And the problem where arises, when the people, they ignore it, they do not report it. Then in that case, the cybercrime is, it increases. Cyber ethics. If I talk about the cyber ethics is the philosophic study of ethics pertaining to computers, encompassing user behavior and what computers are programmed to do, and how this affects individuals and society. For years, various governments have enacted regulations while organizations have defined policies about cyber ethics. So cyber ethics, why should we know about it? It is very, very important for all of us. We need to be behaving responsibly on internet. Remember, whenever we are sitting in front of the computer or working on internet, we are prone to open to the world. So we need to be behaving responsibly on the internet. Copywriting or downloading. What is that? Copyright or downloading is a major issue, because children, they do not know copyright policies. They keep on downloading it. We need to understand the crime and the punishment related to it. And then comes the internet hacking and cyberbullying. Very, very important. Every one of us should understand what is an internet hacking and what is a cyberbullying. Talking about the personal privacy. First is public Wi-Fi. Whenever we go outside, we tend to take the password and start working on it in the public place and taking the help of the public Wi-Fi. So it may not be trustworthy. They could share your information to other companies who operate in countries without any data protection. You may not know who is watching you whilst you are online. So these things you need to keep in your mind while working outside your house or office. What to do and what not to do. Don't use online banking. Use your own data. Okay. Then don't conduct any purchases giving all your credentials. Do not do that. Use a virtual private network, that is VPN. Then talking about the passwords, what type of passwords we need to keep to make our emails, our Facebook, our WhatsApps very much secure. So use one password per account. 3 random words in the NCSC's advice. What are they? Capitals, special characters, and numbers of your own choice. If you follow this advice, your password security will be significantly increased against a brute force attack. So keep this thing in your mind while creating password. Password managers can be helpful to store your passwords. Then coming towards the QR codes. In the physical world, we are good at protecting ourselves and our property. We need to replicate this in the digital world also. 80% of payment related cyber crimes are preventable if QR codes are used. So this is all about the QR codes. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. That is #Polybanteaches. And yes, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my all latest videos. So till I bring more videos of this series, bye bye.